My name is Peyton, and I'm going to be talking about what makes Earth habitable. First is the list of essentials that a planet would need for it to be habitable, and that is liquid water, not frozen water, oxygen, an atmosphere, sunlight, soil, carbon dioxide, protection from solar wind, and protection from the sun. So what gives Earth an atmosphere? An atmosphere is created from temperature and mass, and the temperature gives molecules a higher velocity, which creates more energy, and then mass gives a gravitational pull on gas molecules, which provides the oxygen and carbon dioxide that is needed for plants to grow, which is part of the list of essentials. Earth's position from the sun. This is vital for making Earth habitable. Earth is not too far away from the sun where our drinking water becomes frozen due to lack of heat, and it's also not too close to the sun where temperatures are unbearable and gives us no protection from the sun and its UV rays, but it is still warm enough to keep our water in liquid form. Earth's magnetic field. This is also known as the geomagnetic field and protects Earth from solar winds and asteroids. Plate tectonics. These are an important part of Earth being habitable because it helps keep the magnetic field strong. And plate tectonics create cycles of cooling, sinking, and rising within the mantle, which is why it helps keep the magnetic field so strong.